Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ready to create something truly special and surprisingly simple? You can transform basic cardboard into a delightful, charming cuckoo clock with our easy-to-follow guide for 2025. This project is incredibly rewarding and perfect for crafters of all skill levels. We'll walk you through every step, from basic construction to the intricate details, ensuring your homemade clock becomes a treasured decorative piece. Get ready to unleash your creativity, building a unique timepiece you'll adore. Before we begin building, let's gather all your essential materials and tools for this exciting project. You'll definitely need sturdy corrugated cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and strong adhesive to form your clock's foundation. Don't forget a reliable ruler, a pencil, and a protective cutting mat for precise work. For decoration, grab various paints or markers, and if you want a functional clock, a small, inexpensive battery-operated movement works wonderfully inside. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother. Now, let's get into the heart of the project, constructing the main clock body. Begin by precisely cutting your cardboard pieces, forming the clock's front face, its side panels, and the essential back panel. Carefully assemble these parts using your strong adhesive, making sure all corners are perfectly square and incredibly secure for a stable structure. Next, you'll attach the distinctive pitched roof and a sturdy base. This gives your cuckoo clock its classic, recognizable silhouette, truly bringing it to life. With the main structure solid, it's time for those iconic cuckoo clock details that truly make it special. Carefully cut out the small cuckoo bird door, along with decorative weights and a pendulum to achieve that authentic, charming look. If using, mount your battery-operated clock movement neatly inside, ensuring the hands correctly protrude through the clock face. Finally, attach your decorative pendulum and weights, using string or thin cardboard strips to beautifully simulate movement. These small additions add so much character. Your nearly complete cuckoo clock is now ready for its grand finale, personalization and decoration. Unleash your creativity by painting, using markers, or even adding small craft embellishments to truly make it your own. You might consider adding faux foliage or tiny flowers around the cuckoo door for an extra touch of rustic charm. Once finished, proudly display your beautiful, handcrafted timepiece. It's a wonderful conversation starter and a testament to your amazing DIY skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.